Welcome to another fence installation by myfence.com, a Seattle-based fence contractor embracing the Fence Genius ecosystem to install a 100% prefabricated custom contour-following fence systems. This innovative technology is the first of its kind in the fence construction industry. Our installation process begins by preparing the fence posts for panel installation. We cut the posts to the correct height, install post caps, and attach temporary hanger screws. With these preparations, our two-man crew can easily install the fence system. Each fence panel is meticulously crafted using our advanced technology. After the fence posts were installed, we start by taking precise measurements of each post-to-post location, accounting for grade changes, horizontal distances, and post rotations. This data allows Fence Genius to prefabricate custom panels in a controlled environment, ensuring exact specifications and a perfect fit, which in turn allows myfence.com's customer to pre-approve the exact design on how their fence will look. By combining precision manufacturing with high-quality, pre-stained materials, Fence Genius enables us to deliver fences of unparalleled quality and durability. This innovative approach not only ensures a perfect fit and finish, but also allows for a faster, more efficient installation process, resulting in a superior product for our customers.